Tell them to subscribe so that we can pay our bills. Tell them to subscribe to our channel so that we can pay our bills. Nandito kami ngayon sa hospital while waiting for my husband IV infusion to get done. Let's do what's in my bag today. I'm using this one from Lauren Conrad. I think I bought this 4 years ago, and actually this is the first time na I use this. Today is the first time that I use it. It look like a bucket bag. So mayroon siyang kasamang mahaba na strap. Kasi lang I rather use it as a handbag like that. So let me show you what I have today in this heavy bag. I have too much junk. Since we are spending 5 hours in the hospital, I'm ready. First, I brought my prescription glasses because I can't see much anymore. I'm looking in my cell phone. I can't see much anymore, but I'm wearing it right now, right here. So that's what's in our bag. Ito siya. Guys. Ito yung laman niya. So meron din tayo, dala ko rin yung aking camera. I usually use this when I do vlogging, like pag maglaro kami ni Angel ng miniature golf. I usually bring this with me. So, but today I'm using my cell phone. I'm using my other cell phone because I also have another cell phone right here. Yan, hindi ko na ipapakita kung ano to, but I also have another cell phone. And then I also got my old cell phone. This one naman, I only take this with me when I go to the hospital. Like, when my husband had to get his treatment, I take this with me because dito ako nanonood ng mga Korean drama or Chinese drama. So, this is what I use. I connect the Wi-Fi in the hospital and I watch Korean drama. And dahil sobrang luma na nito, madali na siya maglobat. Hindi naman yung battery, dala ko din yung aking charger, yung wireless charger ko. So, pag naglobat na siya habang nanonood ako ng Korean drama, pag naglobat na siya, then I use my charger. So, yan ang laman ng ating bag. And, of course, pangtawid gutom, I got my Skyflex, the original flavor, and this one is the sweet butter flavor. And pag nagutom, kasi may ulcer, so I had to have it. And dito naman sa may zipper pocket, I had my favorite Kate Spade card case wallet. Yan. And then, ano pa ba? Oh, there is a side pocket here. There's a may dalawa siyang bulsa. There is 2 pockets in this bag inside. Merong zipper yung isa. The other one doesn't have a zipper. So I got my watermelon Burt Bee lip balm. And I also brought a lipstick, which is from Clinique. Mini lipstick, one of my favorite. From Clinique, the shade is Cherry Pop, and from Clinique. Ano pa bandala natin? And of course, meron din tayong peppermint grit drop. It's a must. Yan. And I think I have one more. Okay. The perfume that I use today is from YSL. Ito rin yung dala ko. Yan. Sobrang bango, guys. I have a big one of this at home. So when I use the big one, I also take the small one with me. Yan, YSL. So yan, yan ang laman ng ating bag today. Ang daming laman. Maliit lang yung bag, sobrang maliit. Sobrang maliit lang tong bag na to, guys. Yan, sobrang maliit lang siya. It's a mini handbag slash crossbody bag kasi meron siyang strap. So yan, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully to see you in my next vlog. God bless you guys.